Hi, my name is Will from Northwest Heating Solutions, and today I will be heading to Manchester to meet Anne to see how she's getting on with her heating, which we fitted 6 months ago.
We realised how cold it was, especially in the winter, in the evenings. We were just living in one room. We couldn't use the dining room. It wasn't warm enough in there in the evenings, and the hall stairs was cold. By the evening all the heating had gone out of the storage heaters, so we decided to look for something else. I just saw some adverts and I happened to see Northwest Heating Solutions doing these wonderful ELKAtherm radiators. They were a local company and we thought, yes, we'll ask them to come round. So a very nice man called David came round and spent quite a while with us, measuring up, giving us all the information we needed to know, and we were so pleased we ordered 5 radiators. 2 lovely men came and they were so clean and tidy, showed us how to use the controls, and well, we're just so pleased with them. We've never been so warm. And we realise now how bad the old storage heaters were. They'd not been working for the last 10 years. When I have phoned up, I felt the service is good. People have listened to me. Already we know we're using less gas because we don't need to use the gas fire as often. It's only been 6 months, but straight away the gas bill has definitely gone down. All I want to say is anybody who's got old storage heaters, night storage heaters, and you're not happy with them, don't hesitate to get in touch with Northwest Heating Solutions, because you'll definitely be happy with what they advise for you, and I can recommend them thoroughly. I'm so pleased, and my husband is too.
Request your free survey and free information pack today by calling Sam or Emily in the office on 01244 371 445, or click the link below to our website northwestheatingsolutions.co.uk.